Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about how to add your top keywords in your blog smartly so you rank high in Google every single time. What I'm going to share today is a proven and tested strategy. I have tested this strategy in my own websites and in my client's website many times, and it really works. Let's get started. So the first thing is add keyword to your title, blog title. I personally prefer to keep the keyword in the starting of your blog's title, and that's because when Google crawls your blog, the first thing they want to see is your top keyword. You can always add more things to your title later half of the article. So if you want to make the article a little bit the article title more catchy or clickbaity, that's totally okay, as because you want to invite or attract more clicks. So that is something you can add in the later half of the title, whatever you want to say to make people click. But in the beginning of the title, make sure you have your top keyword. Another strategy is to add your top keyword multiple times in your blog. So if your article is, let's say, around 1000 words article, I personally prefer to add at least 5 to 6 times in the article. Now there's no fixed number that you have to add this much number of times, but I would prefer at least 5 to 6 times in a 1000-word article. If it's 2000-word article, maybe around 8 to 9 times. But again, there's no fixed number, and always make sure that you add your top keyword in the starting of the blog. So you, within your first paragraph, you make sure you add your top keyword. There's bonus tip in that you have to find some variations of that particular keyword. So people type the same or search the same thing in very different ways. So make sure you find different type of variations of the keyword, and then try to add those variations as well in the blog itself. For example, one of our clients is an electrical company in Australia, and what we were trying to find is the topics for creating more blogs, and we came across one particular long tail keyword, which was average electricity bill in Australia. So we figured a lot of people were very curious about what kind of average bill is there, what kind of amount that a normal one person pays in Australia. And we found this keyword. We created a blog based on all the strategies that I've discussed in this video, and within 2 months we actually ranked on top of Google page 1. We even ended up scoring the snippet, which is the top box where Google directly tries to answer your question. So that is what we scored using all the techniques in this video. Within I think couple of months, we had a lot of increase in organic traffic, and within 3 to 4 months our organic traffic for that client doubled just because of that one article. Why? Because they were not just ranking for that one top keyword, but also for different variations of the keyword. So for all that 10 to 15 variations, the article started ranking on the top of Google, and that is what really gave a boost to the organic traffic. Just another bonus tip here, that if you are answering a question in your article, so the article may be 1000 words, but it's still based on a topic or question, like how to do this. So if there is a short way to answer the question, make sure you still answer that question specific query within first 2 paragraphs. So don't keep people guessing till the end, otherwise they will leave your article and go to another blog. Okay, so make sure you answer the question straight away within first couple of paragraphs in your article. So now coming back to the topic, so where else to add your top keywords in your blog? Another place you can add the keyword is in your image alt tag. So in WordPress blog, if you edit your image, you will see the alt section and title section. You can actually add the keywords in the title and alt, because Google can crawl your image, but they cannot really read what's in the image, even though they're improving on that. But for now, they're only going to see your title and alt tag. So make sure you place the keywords in there. So another thing you can do is add the keyword in your meta description tag. So like I told you earlier about the title, you can also add the keywords in your meta description tag. Now this is for those people who want to add a plugin which is called Yoast plugin, and I think most of you might have already heard about Yoast plugin. But if you can install Yoast plugin, then you can actually edit your title and meta description tag of your blog. So using this plugin, you can actually add the keywords in your title tag and meta description tag. So make sure you have your meta description tag well describing your blog. Plus at the same time, make sure you add the keywords in the description tag using the Yoast plugin, where you can add the title and meta description tags. Now in the end, you have to add your most important keyword in your URL. Now Google likes to see the short URLs. They don't like the longer URLs. So you can't add all the keywords in your URL, but make sure you add the most important keyword in your URL. So that keeps your URL short, and at the same time you have your top keyword in the URL, and that's very important ranking factor. In the end guys, make sure you write a very well researched article, high quality article, and make sure it's longer than kind of other articles that are ranking in Google's first page, because you want to make sure your article is overall better than the other articles, because Google checks the quality, how well researched it is, and whether you have covered everything in your article. So don't just focus on the keywords. Make sure your article overall is also very good quality article, well researched article, better than other articles. And once you have taken care of all the quality side of the article, then adding keywords in your article at different places, like I have mentioned in this video, it will really help you get the first page ranking in Google. Alright guys, now that you know all the different ways where to enter your keyword in the blog, make sure you also watch my another video where I've covered all the factors that are important to rank a blog high in Google. So this was just one factor, like researching the keyword is one factor, how to add the keyword in your blog is a different factor, but there are many other factors which are important to consider when you're trying to rank your blog high in Google. So make sure you watch that video. I've given the link in the description, and that video will really help you find out all the factors that help you rank high in Google. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button so I know that you have liked the video. It will really help me make more videos. And if you want to watch more of this kind of content, then please subscribe to this channel. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.